Welcome back to Logan's Garage. In today's episode, we're going to be playing around with a new tool. Stay tuned. I love buying new tools. I don't think you can ever have enough. Today we're going to try out this new electric grease gun by Dewalt. Since I'm home due to the COVID-19, I figured the boat trailer needed some new bearings. So I got this Dewalt grease gun in hopes that I wouldn't have to hand crank all of the bearings. The trailer is a tandem axle, so there's 4 inner and 4 outer bearings. This big one's an outer bearing. I'm going to slip it over top of the bearing packer tool. Tighten it down. I already preloaded the grease gun with some marine grade grease for trailers. I'm going to pop this onto the Zerk fitting. Oof, kind of tight. And then let's see, gonna give it a crank, I guess. Let's see. How can I? Wow. Alright. Pretty cool. Sure beats cranking it by hand. Now I think you gotta relieve pressure here to get the coupler off the Zerk fitting. Whoa. Okay. Huh. That was kind of difficult. Got grease all over the place. Wow. Not bad. And I'm gonna just take this guy, just throw him back in the box, and if it ever stops raining, I'll go throw it on the trailer. Huh. Okay. Let's try one of the smaller bearings. I'm not sure if I released the pressure enough because that was kind of hard to pull off. Maybe I just need to hit the gym some more. Shoot, I don't know. So when I do this, I'm looking for grease to squeeze. See if you can see that. Can you see the bearing? Grease to squeeze out from the bottom of the bearing. That's how you know it's going all the way through. So let's tighten that down. Huh. That was really fast. not nearly as bad. Maybe you can see the grease squirt out of the bottom of the bearing. That's how I knew it was done. Actually, maybe did it a little too much. Alright, let's do one more big one and then I'll cut this video off. I just wanted to show you guys the new grease gun. And maybe if you've never packed a bearing before, this can help. Wow, I like that. Okay. There you have it. Nicely greased bearing. Well, there you have it. Today's episode was a short one, but I wanted to show you guys the new tool. If you like videos like this, leave a comment and hit the thumbs up button. Stay tuned for the next episode. I have a massive project coming down the pike that I don't think anybody will suspect. I have parts coming from all over the country right now, and the living room's starting to look like a junkyard. If you like what we're doing on the channel, hit the subscribe button. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks.